CitriSafe. Hi, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you can do to get it back. In today's video, we're going to review an adhesive solvent remover for your non-surgical hair system. One of my favorite companies out there is Professional Hair Labs, as some of you know in some of my previous reviews. I'm a big fan of their safety, and as far as a solvent adhesive remover goes, I'm not real big fans of a lot of them. They remind me a lot of Gooby Gone products, and so there's a couple of different products out there that I've tried over the years that are safe for the client to use, but sometimes I find that the safer they are, the less effective they are. And I'll do some product reviews and comparisons later on in some other videos of other solvent removers, but I'm going to tell you about a new one that the guys at Professional Hair Labs allowed me to have a little early and sent some stuff to me, and let me try it. Thanks, guys. So today's video, we're going to talk about one of my favorite new products out there today. It's a brand new product out there this last 2019. It came out in the fall of 2019. And I was able to test some of this product and use some of this product a little early and get my hands on it, which was great. I've been a long-time client and customer of these guys, so they trust my opinion, and they know this is what I do all day long, is full head bonds. So the new product they have is called CitriSafeRX, and CitriSafeRX I absolutely love. It really gives me the results without smelling like it's some petroleum-based product that's going to do something bad to my client's scalp. All right. I've been using it on all my clients. Now not all clients do I have to use it on. Some clients can get away with just an adhesive remover shampoo, but some clients are a little harder to remove the adhesive. They don't quite break the adhesive down so much, or they get some adhesive in the hair that you have to remove also. So this has been a great product for that. I've loved it. It really makes my life easier, on the client easier, because I don't have to scrape their scalp so hard to get the adhesive off. This really lifts it up. I don't like the fact that some people will, use the water in the shampoo bowl to get the adhesive off. I like to get as much of it off before I actually put it into my shampoo bowl or my drain and my sink and my pipes, because it's not going to do good things for your pipes, or your shower or anything else. So this has been a great product. I've been able to remove pretty much 90% of the adhesive, if not more, off all of it off this client's scalp. And for the hair system, this is great also. I use it on my skin-based systems, and it doesn't do any damage to the base of the systems. I'm able to remove the oils out of it that might remain on the base, that might compromise your readherence of the system. But this is a great, great product, guys. All right. So let me tell you about CitriSafe. Okay, so a great thing about CitriSafe is that it contains no harsh chemicals. Wow, that's fantastic, because the harsh chemicals really scare me when it comes to putting these on clients' scalps. Simply made of 3 safe ingredients: Delomoline, aloe vera, and light mineral oil, which means it's gentle on the skin and will remove any adhesive and adhesive residue, which is going to allow you to have a clean rebond for your hair system. CitriSafe comes in 3 different sizes. It has a travel size, it has this 4-ounce size, and then it's got a larger refill size. I like the fact that it doesn't smell like some, like I said, petroleum chemical that is meant to remove industrial type adhesives and product off of things. And this industry, the hair replacement industry, has they've taken some things that I probably would never put on anybody's scalp and put it on people's scalp in the past. So it's really great that it's really great that guys like Professional Hair Labs are trying to create very safe products. All right. I've been using this now for 5 months now, and I'm extremely impressed with the product. It really does the job it needs to be done. Clients don't complain about it on their scalps, and I get a great rebond, which is the most important part of the whole thing. And also, it's safe for my clients. So if you're looking for a really good adhesive solvent remover, check out the guys at Professional Hair Labs, CitriSafeRX. If your studio that you're getting your hair replacement done in is not using it, tell them they need to get it. It's a game changer, guys. This is a very quick review on this product. There's not a whole lot to talk about because it does its job. And if you've liked what you've seen today in my video, or if you have any comments or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can watch more of these videos and get more information on how to wear your non-surgical hair system successfully, or find out about your hair loss situation and what to do about restoring it. I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and this has been The Real Deal. Have a great hair day, guys.